This is a glute ham raise. Essentially, this is a hamstring curl. On this machine, there's a little ledge for my knees to rest on when I start. So from here, I'm going to squeeze my bum, and everything after this, my knees, hips, and shoulders should stay in a totally straight line. I'm going to straighten my legs until they're completely extended, and then I'm just bending my knees to pull myself back up. What I don't want to do is allow my bum to come back here. Now my hip is flexed. I need to keep my glutes engaged, and all the movement is just happening at my knee joint. As I get stronger at this, I can add some weight, or depending on the machine that you use, the leverage will be a little different. If you're having trouble getting all the way down, what you can do is this. Use a stick like this, and that can just take a little bit of the weight off here so you can push yourself back up. You should definitely be feeling this in the hamstrings. You may feel it a little bit in the calf as well, but if you're not feeling this in the hamstrings, something weird is going on, and you should probably get your hamstrings checked out. Okay, that's the glute ham raise.